It's a 2011 Honda CR-V. Capability without compromise isn't a dream, it's a CR-V. It comes with great features you'll love. Inline 4-cylinder engine, front heated leather bucket seats, integrated navigation system with voice activation, dual zone climate control, wireless phone connectivity, external memory control, power sliding and tilting sunroof, 3 12-volt power outlets, and power heated mirrors. Consumer Guide explains that lots of standard safety and convenience features and Honda's reputation for reliability and resale value further bolster its appeal and cements its reputation as a good buy in its class. Honda has a world-renowned reputation for reliability. If you've been waiting for the perfect time for a test drive, the time is now. Experience it today.